Here is the ultimate beginner's overview to investing in buy and hold real estate. I'm glad you're here. Let's jump right in. Hi y'all, my name is Lori Livers and I am a real estate investor that was able to leave my boring 9-to-5 job behind in just under 3 years by creating the cash flow I need with rental properties. And today I want to tell you just how I did it so you can do it too. But the first thing I want you to know is that you don't need as much money as you might think to get started. Step 1, choose a strategy that appeals to you. There are lots of investment strategies out there. The one I use is called the BRRRR strategy. It's buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. My experience is based on this BRRRR strategy, but the process works for any strategy. Pick the one you like the most and get to the business of getting busy. Please hit that like button down below and I will get on with it. Step 2, find out what you really do need to invest in the area you want to be in, and then get to making that happen. I assumed it took so much more than it really does for years, and this kept me from living the life I want to live for years. Don't waste your time assuming. Find out what it really takes. Let me know in the comments if you want me to explain exactly how to determine what you need to get started. I'd love to make that video for sure. Now that brings us to step 3. Build your team. Here's a video about who you need on your team and why you need them, and also even where to find them. Let me know if you would like to see more info on this as well. You are not going to be successful on your own. Real estate investing is a team sport. You need a team. Now, I could talk about this all day, but let's not until you're ready for that. Let me know. Now, step 4, step out of your comfort zone and work your strategy. If your strategy is going to be BRRRR like mine, then it's time to find a property. Buy is where you make your long-term money. Rehab is where you create your immediate forced appreciation. Rent is where you create your cash flow. And refi is where you make as much cash as is available to you to do it all over again. Repeat is where you do it again and again until you decide you have whatever it is you want and need. When you get to the point that you are working your strategy, you're not done yet. There are still 2 more steps. Step 5, know that nothing goes as smooth as you hope it will, and that every problem you encounter, because you will have problems, but those problems can be solved. Expect problems to pop up, they always do, but you can and will solve them as they come. Nothing in real estate, or anything else for that matter, should ever really be unexpected, because we should expect there is always going to be something. And real estate is no different. We just don't get to know in advance what our expected stuff might be, such as life, right? So step 6, and the final step in the ultimate overview of investing in rental properties, is to learn from your experience, because experience is the very best teacher. Take time to really evaluate your process and how you work through your process. And then when you're ready, do it again, but do it better. And then do it again, but do it even better than you had before. Until you decide you are done because you're satisfied with where you are, you're satisfied with your results. Some never get there because they are never satisfied. Others are just looking for one property because that's all it takes to meet their goals. The only right or wrong that exists is the right or wrong for you. For me, I'm somewhere in the middle. I have created the cash flow I need to live my life well, but I'm not done. I still want to grow my portfolio because I still have other goals I want to accomplish, and I need to create that cash to make that possible. I have so many more in-depth videos coming on all these pieces, creating the ultimate guide to investing in buy and hold real estate. Please do subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of those new videos. They come out twice per week, and I'd love to have you along on the adventure of a lifetime that has allowed me to leave my 9-to-5 behind. Right now, I am waiting for you in this video here on your screen. What do you think? Do you have a few more minutes to hang out? Until I see you over there. Bye, y'all.